Okay, hi, namaste guys. Let us see the COVID-19 active cases and the recovery cases and death rate in the numerical form, and we can see even the graph details, and we can see in a tabular form which country is at the first stage and how many cases have been registered. And a word from me: wear mask while going out, get sanitized as fast as possible. And if you are watching this video, then you have to sanitize. And nothing but if you are a discharged patient for an ICU patient or a diabetic patient or and who have taken steroids in the treatment of COVID-19, then say your son or daughter to take care for you at least 10 days. So let's get into the data. Thank you for hearing this all information. Okay guys, as you can see on the screen, active COVID-19 cases from yesterday we can see it as a huge impact, and yesterday it was nearly 10 lakh 50,000, and today it is 4 lakh 22,424 cases have been registered today. And the total death rate from yesterday to today, it is a huge impact, and we can say yesterday it was nearly 25,000, today it is 9,140, so that we can see a huge impact of 10,000. Nearly we can say it is nearly 14,000 has been decreased. And if we see recovery cases, yesterday it was 12 lakhs, but today we can say it has decreased a lot, and we can say 5,49,055 cases have been registered, and you can see the recovery in the numerical form. And if we see daily new cases, and today it has decreased, and highest peak which has reached yesterday, it is May 22, as you can see recently it has reached. And if we see death, May 19 was the last, and but yesterday it was nearly 25,000, and which is not been here. And if we see in tabular form, first is USA, second is India, third is Brazil, fourth is France, fifth is Tokyo, sixth is Russia. And India has registered 1,328 cases, and death is not recorded actually. And death, if we see in India, it is nearly 3,000, 3,500. And if we see other countries like Mexico and Ukraine, 2,725 cases have been registered in Mexico, and death is 387, and Ukraine, and we can say that it is nearly 1,703. And if we see death, it is 84, and even other countries have registered their cases. And from yesterday we can see a huge improvement of decrease in cases. Yesterday it was all the countries were registered the new cases and enrolled for that. And if we see total number of cases which are registered today are 21,680. Yesterday it was nearly 91,000, and we can see a huge improvement now of decrease in cases as well as death. And yesterday it was nearly 2,000 was the death, and today it is nearly 677 has been death, and which is recorded right now. Till now I said was yesterday's data about the registered cases of 4,22,000, and right now cases which are registered are this much. And now the time is nearly 12 o'clock. Okay, if you like the information, please like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon button, and if you comment, it will be a motivation for us. And thanks for watching this video, and once again, wear mask while going out, and be safe, take care of your family.